Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add horizontal line in Google Docs on your phone. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto the document where you want to edit. Now here you can find the pencil icon at the bottom. Now select it. Next, tap onto the plus sign icon at the toolbar. Tap on it. Then here you can find the option of horizontal line. Now simply select it. Now you can see the horizontal line has been added to your document. Now you can add as much as you want horizontal lines on your documents. And that's it. This is how you can add horizontal line in Google Docs. Now enjoy editing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.